Hi, I'm Amy. Welcome to the video. Hey guys, today's video is going to be all about the new Uoma Beauty Black Magic collection in collaboration with the movie Coming to America. They came out with a second one and it's out on like Prime. I think it's Amazon Prime. So go watch it. I got a palette and I got a lipstick. If you want to see me try these out, go ahead and give this video a like so I know you like it. Subscribe before you leave and let's go ahead and get started. This packaging, super gorgeous. It has all these little details. I love it. And it's like a flap here instead of like a normal box. The palette itself is called Royal Heir-itage, like heritage but an heir. And look at that. Wow. Okay, that's so pretty. Okay, hold on. It comes with this little plastic sheet here with the like lion little thing, and then these are the colors. Oh my gosh, you guys, that's gorgeous. And then here is the lipstick packaging. Look at how cute that is. I don't know why I'm holding this with two hands. It's very weird. I got the shade Peaches and Akeem. Let's see the bullet here. Ooh, okay, that's so pretty. Oh my gosh, look at the little details. It's got the lion there, and then, oh my gosh, look at this bullet. I'm dying. Stop. How beautiful is that? Oh my god, it smells so good. The packaging feels really nice and like not heavy, but heavy, like a little heavy, medium heft, and it's magnet closure. Love that. Okay, so I put on this like green shirt because I just felt like the green and the pink was a super springtime combination. So you're welcome. I'm also eating grapes. If you missed my March favorites, monthly favorites, these grapes are my favorite. They're so good. They're called Sweet Globe. I'm zooming you in so we can do the eyeshadow. How does that look? I am gonna start with Dahomey. It's the palest pink matte. It looks a little bit warmer on my eye than it does in the palette to me, but it might be because the background of the palette is gold. Okay, I'm going to take the Rephr number 1 and I'm going to go into Staccato, which is the next lightest shade. This one's like a little bit more rosy. And there's no fallout. I mean, I know I haven't done anything dark yet, but I mean, that's pretty dark for me. Like that's medium to deep on my skin tone. I am going just a little in the inner corner. Oof, I really like this shade. For me, that's like a summer one and done shade. That kind of like rosy, peachy, with like a really bronzy face. Ugh. Let me swatch these. Oh my god, they feel so good. Shimmers. Ugh, that's 4 of them. Hold on. Okay. Isle Life. Oh my god, look at that. Kush. Molly. Axum. And Songhai. I tried. Okay, yeah, that's, oh goodness gracious. Oh my god, hold on. These textures are giving me Pat McGrath, guys. They're pigmented, high shine, and thin. They are so thin. The The first one, the Eyelife one, that's super bright one, that's kind of like reminds me of Pat's Baked formula, where it's kind of like almost sheer and full of tiny micro glitters. And then this one, Kush, really thin, but this one's more of a creamy metallic shade with tiny micro glitters. Then Mali, or Mali, you can't even see it on my finger anymore. That one is kind of a topper duochrome situation where it's got like, I'm talking about this one right here. It's got like a lot of pink base and a lot of gold glitter. So when you look at it, it looks pink, but because the gold glitter is such a different color, it like pops. And then that gold, what is it called? Axum? A super thin, like, look at that. That's metal on my hand. And then the last one, what was it? Songhai. Again, super thin, super metallic color. These are beautiful. These are beautiful. I'm gonna go with my NYX number 43 into the shade Ashanti, which is the deepest kind of dark brick red. I think I want to take Kush on my lid and then do Eyelife on the inner corner. So this is Kush. Oh God. Look at that! I hope this is showing up for you. Oh my God, that's so beautiful. Okay, I'm going center and rocking back and forth, and I'm just doing a pressing motion, a very light pressing motion. Oh. I have not gone back in. This is just what was on my finger from the beginning. Wow. Wow. I'm really excited. I hope that you can tell how beautiful and wet that looks. Okay, I'm gonna wipe my finger off. I am getting some glitter fallout, which I knew was gonna happen, but I'm gonna go back to my 43 into Ashanti. Love. Okay, I'm gonna take my pinky with Eyelife into the inner corner. Like literally. I'm gonna blow it off so I don't get as much fallout, hopefully. Are you kidding? Are you kidding? Okay. That's so reflective. I'm obsessed. Okay. Taking my Sigma E30. Nothing on it yet. I just want to kind of rub at the edges here to blend it and make sure everything's like pressed in and not going to fall around. Man. Oof. I think I'm going to do a brown liner in my waterline here. I definitely thought I was going to go into like these colors. Let me just swatch these ones that I didn't use. The mattes. Look at those. Those are stunning. The pigment. Ugh. I'm really happy. Alright, I'm gonna go catch this eye up, put on some mascara, and then we will try out the lip. Okay, so it's safe to say I'm fully obsessed with this eyeshadow palette, and now I need to try their other stuff. Their formula is excellent. So I am going to wipe off my lips. I had just a little bit of lip balm left over. I want to make sure they're dry so we can see the level of like hydrating and glossy that the lipstick gives. Let's start down here. So there's the color next to my natural lip. I think it's beautiful. It feels like a lip balm. It feels really nice and thin. It does have a little bit of pigment. As you can see, it definitely colored my lips, but it doesn't have as much shine as I thought it was going to, being that they claimed it was glossy. I do think it does have shine, but it's not, I wouldn't consider this a gloss, you know? It's like a satin lipstick. Let's wrap this up. Okay, the palette, completely obsessed. I'm obsessed. I love it. I am so happy. I am so happy that I purchased this. I cannot wait to get into some of the other shades. Again, here are the swatches that I have. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. These shimmers, I mean, I put these on my I put these on dry. Yes, I used my finger, but it looks metallic. It looks like I sprayed my lid, and it is one of those wet look kind of eyeshadows, the one that I used at least, which means that it has a lot of tiny micro glitters in it. But this one also has like a base that's metallic, so it's giving me that double punch of metallic, which I adore. I love it so much. I don't know if you can tell how bright and ridiculous this is, but it's beautiful. The mattes blended out wonderfully. Because they call it a, what do they call it? Like a pigment, yeah, a color palette. I thought it was going to be very pigmented and almost like wherever you set it, it would be stuck there, but it was very easy to blend. You saw me work with the colors. I used 3 of the matte shades. The 2 that I didn't get to use are the really bright colors. I might do a look with those on like Instagram or my TikTok. So I will link those both down below. I don't do enough makeup content on my TikTok, but I'm trying. It's like in my mind as a thing to do. But I might do that or maybe another video. Let me know if you guys would be interested. But I'm very happy. I really like the size of this palette. Like obviously it's beautiful, but it's a really good size too. It's quite thin, and the size, I don't know, it just feels, it feels good. It feels like a really good size. If that means anything to you. So $44, I would 100% recommend this. I think the eyeshadow formula, I mean, I will have to wear it all day, but as it stands right now, the eyeshadow formula truly reminds me of Pat McGrath. Like, I am stunned. $44 for 10 shades. If you'd like to see me like do comparisons to what Pat McGrath shades these look like, let me know. I might do that on my Instagram too. Does that seem like an Instagram thing to do? I don't know. Let me know if you'd be interested in that. But highly recommend that. The lipstick, I like it. I like the color. The formula is really nice. It's super comfortable. But $22, I get it. The packaging is nice. But honestly, I can get this same kind of vibe from something that's like $8 at NYX. So I will link the NYX one down below as well as this one, in case you wanted like a dupe that I haven't like duped, but it's pretty much a dupe. It feels the same to me on the lips. It looks pretty similar. I think the NYX one that I have, the color that I have, might be a little bit more like peachy, whereas this is more like a nude beige brown kind of color on me. It does have like maybe a little bit more of a mauve moment. Anyways, that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It helps me out so much. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!